Hello and welcome to number 53, the Hawthorns on the Limerick Road in Ennis. This is a very nicely presented 4-bedroom semi-detached family home positioned on a really good corner side position in this very popular housing development, within walking distance of all amenities including local, national and secondary schools, transport links, the motorway, and of course Ennis town centre is a short stroll, as are all recreational and convenience stores. As I mentioned, it's on a really spacious corner site with mature shrubbery on both sides, gated side access leading to a really nice garden which you'll see very shortly. So let's go and have a look at the interior of number 53. So on arriving at the main entrance hallway, you can see the quality tiled flooring, the upgraded doors that the current owner would have done, and these are throughout the ground floor. So really nice feature with upgraded handles and door units. In the main entrance hallways, you can see you have the ceiling coving with quality carpeted teak rail stairs leading to the first floor landing, and that quality tile work continues right through into the kitchen. The door on the right is into the main reception. The glass panel door straight ahead is into the kitchen dining, and the door here to the left hand side is into the ground floor ensuite bedroom. So look, we'll take a look at the main reception. So that's the door coming in from the main hallway, and just to take a step back so you can appreciate the size of this room, it has quite bulky furniture, so this is actually bigger in reality, as big and all as it looks in the video and photographs. You have quality tiled flooring, again you have the ceiling coving carried through, and a very nice feature in this room is the cast iron surround feature fireplace, which has the solid fuel stove. The current owner of this home open planned the ground floor living by just removing the double doors, which could very well be reinserted into the kitchen dining, which you'll look at shortly. Just to give you a look at the outlook from the main reception room, very nice, onto the mature green area, and of course the mature shrubbery that the current owner planted many years ago. So then walking back through this double arch, you're into the really bright and spacious kitchen dining. Again, as I mentioned from the hallway, those tiles are carried right through, which is a nice feature. And from the dining area, you have your double doors out onto your private rear gardens, which are not overlooked. And of course, this stunning kitchen. Nice and modern, with the centre island unit, which is split level to facilitate breakfast eating, which has additional bay storage, and of course food preparation on the lower level, with your fan assisted oven immediately behind you, and your ceramic hob with extractor hood and fan. Nice tile splashbacks around, your 1.5 bowl single drainer sink, and again the quality tiling really does round off this very nice, bright and spacious room. Off the kitchen then, you have a glass panel door again out into the utility, which will keep your view for the on-site viewing, as the owner has some personal belongings put in there for while we're doing the video. And that further connects into the ground floor WC, and it is a very spacious room. If you take a look at the measurements on the brochure or indeed online, you'll see the size of that very generous utility room. So arriving back into the hallway, we'll take a look at the first of the 4 bedrooms, which is positioned on the ground floor. So the first of the 4 bedrooms, as mentioned, is on the ground floor. This has the quality carpeted flooring. You have ample built-in wardrobes positioned here to the right hand side, and that has the adjoining vanity unit with your 3-drawer base and wall-mounted mirror unit. The door straight ahead is into the ensuite. And this ensuite again is nicely equipped with fully tiled ceiling to floor, has your shower tray with your fold-away glass panel shower door, and your low-level WC wash and basin, and you'll note the electric shaver point and light overhead with the wall-mounted mirror unit. So swinging the camera back around again, we're back into the entrance hallway, and we'll go and take a look at the first floor accommodation. So very nicely out to the first floor, you have your spacious landing with access to your hot press housing, immersion tank and shelving. You have your pull-down fold-away stairs leading to additional attic storage, and you have 2 bedrooms to the front and your master bedroom and bathroom to the rear. Door straight ahead of me there is into the master bedroom, and door to the left into the main bath. Swinging the camera around again, hope I'm not making you too dizzy. But we are into the first of the front bedrooms. This would be a double room, could comfortably take a 4-foot double bed. And this has a built-in wardrobe, as do all bedrooms in this home. Back into the entrance hallway and into the front bedroom. Nice double bedroom, nice views out onto the green area. And this, of course, has your built-in wardrobes positioned just behind the door. Very nicely done. And once again, good quality carpeted flooring. Back around again. And you have your main bathroom. Again, nicely finished with tiling ceiling to floor. Your panelled bath with your overhead shower, electric shower. Glass panel shower door. And again, good quality fixtures and fittings. And rounding off the first floor accommodation is your master bedroom. Again, no shortage of built-in units, with your vanity unit separate here to the right hand side, with your overhead wall mounted mirror unit, and once again your ample shelving units and hanging rails in the main wardrobe. And swinging around, here's into your ensuite with your low level WC, wash and basin once again, and your corner fitted shower tray with your sliding glass panel shower door. So that you have a nice feel for the view that you have from the back. This is your rear garden, and you can appreciate the privacy that you have with a green area for those houses here to the right, positioned just over the wall here. Nicely walled, mature shrubbery, garden shed and patio area as well. If you would like further information on number 53 The Hawthorns, please feel free to call us on 065 684 0200 or email us info@dngosullivanhurley.com. Thank you for watching.